Hello from Slovenia again. Fall is coming to town, so I chose some colors today and I will do a split cup. And I want to talk a little more about colors today because I mixed my own colors, not all of them. This is Paint Art Pine Green, and this one is Pebeo Chrome Green Hue. Love this color, lovely green. And this one is Vallejo Green Earth, beautiful color too. And here I mixed Vallejo Nickel Azo Yellow with some Pebeo Iridescent Precious Gold, and this yellow is just gorgeous. And here I have Quinacridone Burnt Orange by Liquitex mixed with some Pebeo Iridescent Precious Gold. And here is just Quinacridone Burnt Orange. And the last one is Alizarin Crimson mixed with some Amsterdam Bronze, and this one is a little on the thick side, and it has a gorgeous shimmer. I really love, because I love those Bordeaux red shades, and this one is just turned out amazing. I don't know if you can see the shimmer, but it's just gorgeous. So okay, these are my colors, and I have split cup with 7 chambers. And I will just start pouring my paint into the chambers. This is the pine green and this chrome green. So beautiful, this green. Love it. And green earth. And this yellow mixed with gold, so beautiful. And Quinacridone Bronze. It's like a bronze. And the cup that I'm using is from Paint Pour Store. I will put the link into the description box. I love those because they have holder to hold it, and it has a nice lid, so I love those cups. And the red. Up. Okie doke. So here is my cup. I love it. What do you think? Hope it will turn out as something nice. Let me switch. And now I will hold my breath. Okie doke. So I will pour some white around for my flow extender because I have deep edged canvas and I want my sides to be covered. Make sure when you put your flow extender that you push your flow extender to the pattern that you have on the canvas, because otherwise paint will flow one on top of each other and it will not eat, some of your patterns that you maybe didn't want to lose. So okay, I will put my gloves on. And sorry for the glare. This will be better. So sorry, I forgot. It's a rainy day here in Slovenia, so it's not bright outside. I'm thinking that I will maybe just tilt it. And I will go over this edge first and back. Whoop. I didn't expect so much green. Okay. I will definitely add some green on these edges. And here's some yellow to match, and here's some red to match. So let me do that and then I will take you down for a close-up. Here is a close-up. I wish that I would have a little less of this green, but the shimmer of those yellows and orange and red are just gorgeous. I'm a little I shouldn't have poured white, probably because I see some cells popping through here, you see, on the sides. But I don't know, maybe even some of those paints weren't good together. See this white popping through, but I can touch it with the colors later. But otherwise I'm quite happy with this one. It has this autumn colors that I like together. And I love the shimmer, I love the transparency in some places. I love it. I will say that I love it. Maybe I just don't like this part here. Let's do one more spin maybe. No. Just probably I will just tilt a little bit of this off. Let's do one more. Okay, and now I'm happy because, and as you can see, the paint is still flowing, so I had enough paint on the canvas still. So maybe it will even cover some of those white dots, hopefully. I love those lines here. Really do. So I will really call it done now. So this was it. Have a nice Sunday and see you on the next one. Bye.